Here is a winter weather bulletin for the following counties in Wisconsin: Brown, Calumet, Dorr, Florence, Forest, Kewaunee, Langlade, Lincoln, Manitowoc, Marathon, Menominee, Northern Marinette, Northern Oconto, Oneida, Outagamie, Portage, Shawano, Southern Marinette, Southern Oconto, Velas, Wapaka, Washira, Winnebago and Wood. Winter storm warning in effect until midnight Thursday night. The winter weather advisory is no longer in effect. Heavy snow and blowing snow expected. Additional snow accumulations of 3 to 10 inches, except 8 to 17 inches in northern Wisconsin. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. The areas impacted include portions of central, north central, northeast, and east central Wisconsin. Timing, until midnight Thursday night. Impacts, travel could be very difficult to impossible. Patchy blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. The hazardous conditions could impact the morning or evening commute. The cold wind chills as low as 20 below zero could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. The latest Wisconsin road conditions can be obtained by calling 511.